Hey everybody, it's Linnea. Welcome back to another Friday Frenzy video on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. This is a series where I combine new and old Whimsy products to create a card showing you how you can mix and match your supplies and get the most out of what you have. So I'm going to start with the Slimline Fancy Frame die set. This is new from Whimsy Stamps. It was just released a couple days ago. I'm going to die cut this twice from some purple cardstock, and I'm going to show you how to create a shaped card. So this Slimline Fancy Frame set is about 3 1/4 by 8 1/4. So you know, a regular Slimline card, but I was going to have little bits of the card base peeking out, and I didn't want that. So I'm going to take one of these purple pieces that I die cut using the largest die in the Slimline Fancy Frame die set, and I'm going to score this. I had originally scored it and it wasn't straight, so I kind of shifted it over a little bit and I scored again. So it ended up being about 1/2 inch that I scored in from the one side. Totally doesn't matter that I fudged on my scoring because I'm going to cover it up. This is going to be pieced together. I scored, I folded it, and I added a piece of double-sided adhesive. This is strong adhesive, so I know it's going to hold on. And then I'm going to glue on that second die cut piece that I cut, line that right up, give it a little bit of pressure so that that tape adheres, and there you go. I have an easy shaped card base. You can do this with pretty much any of your dies. If you wanted to create a shaped heart, or if you have like a fancy die that is hard to cut out yourself, like this kind of bubbly side of the die, definitely do this. It's a great trick. I also used that Slimline Fancy Frame die set, and I cut out one of the larger rectangles out of green cardstock, and I'm going to blend on some of the little critters from the Halloween Creatures stencil. I die cut this from a limey green cardstock, and I'm just using a slightly darker green ink to create an easy tone-on-tone look. Now I'm using the new Slimline Vertical Sentiments. This has a sentiment for a lot of occasions in it. There's Christmas, there's Halloween, fabulous for a lot of things. I'm going to go, obviously, Halloween-y. This is kind of a quick last-minute Halloween card idea. So I stamped that right down the center. I added that panel to my card with foam tape. And I also stamped just the word happy. This is from You're My Jolly, a Christmas set, but it was one that I could find a simple stamped happy font. I stamped that in purple so it would match my background and added that with foam tape. And that's it. This is super quick and easy, great for last minute Halloween card designs because I know we're kind of getting down to the wire here. We need to pop those cards in the mail. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Come back next Friday for another Friday Frenzy video, and I'll see you then. Bye.